G'day guys, Greg here. Well, here I am at Cannon Hill in Brisbane. I've come to a place here called Seachange Fish and Chips. I'm going to go in there today and try their stock standard fish and chips and, well, see what it's like and give it a score out of, well, 5 stars. Now, this has got a 4.3 Google star rating, so I wonder what star rating the old Greg will give it. Let's go get one of their fish and chips and find out. Alright, well here we go, the Seachange Fish and Chips. It costs $10.50 and it's cod and chips. I asked for sea salt. No, I didn't. I asked for chicken salt and I tell you what, they put on heaps. Well, it looked like they did. Anyway, let's suss it out. Alright. Just had to change locations because old mate next door decided he wanted to mow the lawn. Yeah. But anyway, here we go. There's the Seachange Fish and Chips. Looks kind of interesting, doesn't it? It's got a fairly decent sized piece of fish here and, well, those chips, have a look at those. They're all short and stubby. Look like a fat man's fingers. Oh, I hope they taste better. All right, well, how about we start off with some of these chips? They actually look really nice. They're a funny yellow colour, aren't they? Yummy. Oh, heaps of salt on there. It's so good for a change for someone to actually put salt on their chips. I love it. And these chips are kind of crunchy and nice and soft in the middle with a nice big filling there. You little ripper. Let's suss out this batter. I saw them dipping it in there and, well, it looked like it was hanging off all right. It looks fairly crispy. And there's the fish inside there. Cod. Seems to be flaking away and looks kind of juicy too. Yummy. Nice and oily. Crunchy as well. Well seasoned. Not too bad. And this cod, there's steam coming off. Kind of light on the fish flavours, but it still tastes alright. Not bad. Let's try it together, huh? Oh, I like that greasiness. Oh yeah. Not really that flavoursome actually, and well, together the batter and the fish, well, it was okay, but I've had better. But it is a nice big thick piece of fish there. Well, at least it is on one end. Bit thin on the other though. But that's alright. It's a fish. They're not thick on both ends, you know. Anyway, it came with some lemon. How about we do the lemon test? My favourite part! Right. Oh, man. This chunk of lemon's really a bit thick. They could have cut it in half and I got 2 of them. That's a lot of lemon. They could have given me half that and just one of them would have been better, but I can't even squeeze it. It's so thick that I can't even squeeze it. What's going on? Right, well, I'm getting a little bit out of there. Crikey. Strength, coppers. You need your muscles for this lemon. Oh. Oh, that tastes nice with a lemon. The lemon sort of adds something to it. And the thing it adds to it is nice. So like I said, it's got a 4.3 Google star rating. What star rating should I give it? $10.50. Well, that's the standard price for fish and chips. And, well, I thought that's a fair price. The batter on the outside, well, it was crunchy. It was quite light, though. It wasn't, like, awesome, but it held the grease in nice, and the fish and the batter together, well, it was kind of nice, but it wasn't, like, outstanding. Like, there was no wow factor, and there was nothing, like, special about it. The chips, though, the chips are really nice. They're short and stubby, and, well, they're crunchy as well and soft in the middle. I thought they were really good, and I quite like them. The fish is flavourful enough, and, well, with that batter on, it's kind of growing on me. So out of 10, I'd probably give this fish and chips a 7 out of 10, which would make that a 3.5 Grego star rating. I really like these chips, actually, and the fish wasn't too bad, but at least it was cod, so I should give it a little bit higher score. A 3.8, I'll give it, yeah. But if you're around Cannon Hill, you feel like a fish and chips, why not whip in to Seachange Fish and Chips? And if you do go there, tell them Greg sent you, mate. They might have a clue, but they didn't ask who I was when I was filming inside their store, so they might not. Anyway, I'm going to go outside and give some of these chips to Roller. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I do a fish and chip review. See you then.
Oh yeah, this